Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maddie. I'm so happy you chose to stop by again. So I have another fake bake video for you, and I am going to be showing you how I made a strawberry parfait. Now I am going to continue to use the clear sealant that I used in my previous video. I'm having so much fun with it, and this is actually another thing that I came up with as well. I'm sure you probably done one yourself. Now if you choose to use the sealant, I am going to give you a fair warning. It does have a bit of a smell to it, but within 2 or 3 days it should be gone. Do make sure that you use this in a ventilated room area, because otherwise it will give you a headache. I know I was getting one until I turned on my fan, and obviously I was fine. But anyway, so all I did is just add some ink in there, and I chose the color red because again I am making a strawberry parfait. Now it's very easy. I am also using a plastic cup that I don't care about tossing away. So later I will tell you why as well. Now here I have some corn cob bedding, and now this I found it at the pet store. It comes in, I think it's a 5 liter bag, and let me tell you, it lasted me a very long time. I still have a lot of it. So I think I already had it for about 3 years or so. But anyway, so now I'm just adding this is lightweight spackle, and this is going to be mimicking the yogurt. Then here is the jam that I'm going to add in there, or the syrup. Now when you pour this, and as I was pouring this, I had to be very careful and try to do more like a glop in there at one time, because I was trying to make sure that I would not get it on the edges. And the reason is because if some of it will get smeared, or if you do smear some of it, it's hard to come off, so if that does happen, I did notice that by rubbing some alcohol, and with getting some a rag and then rubbing some alcohol on there, it did come off, but it did fight me for a bit there, because I was getting pretty scared that I wasn't going to be able to take it off, but it did come off. But anyway, so once I have my syrup in there, then I'm going to be adding some slices of strawberries. Now the strawberries, I got those from Play Code 3, and I will also be leaving my code, discounted code, so you can go in there and do some shopping if you don't have any slices of strawberries, or if you haven't been able to find any. So here, as you can see here again I am just rubbing off the excess, anything that smeared on the side. So, and then I'm just going to repeat the same steps over until I get to the top. So I will let you finish watching the rest of the video, and I will talk to you towards the end. Okay, so as you saw, all I did is just repeat the same steps over, and this is how easy and simple this was to make. All I have to do now is just add my strawberries on there, and then just a little bit more whipped cream, and I am all done. You know, I can add this to my Valentine's fake bake decor in my kitchen on top of my tier tray, and also I can keep it out or bring it back out, you know, for summer. This will be a great addition to that as well. So guys, if you get inspired, you know, and please share with me your creations. I would love to see it, you know, and if you don't mind and not a bit shy, I would love to put it on my community page as well. Again, I am going to leave a description of everything that I use in this video in the description box down below. All right, my friends, as you can see, we have also come towards the end of another fake bake easy video for you. And until the next time, so stay safe, be kind, bye.